It's in. Gotta do some engineering to get it in here. But it is what it is. Would I do this again? I don't know. Probably will. So, about the CPP frame mounts to the engine. You're really gonna need them because the other ones you have to weld. These ones already welded, and they bring the engine up further enough to so the engine won't bottom out on the bottom cross member of the frame. So you're gonna need those CPP. Now they got adjustable engine mounts. The whole, just if you're gonna buy it, buy the whole thing. Buy the body mount and the C clamps, the adjustable C clamps for them, because it's like, you know, two something. If you say, yeah, I'm just gonna buy the frame mounts, then you say, oh, I'm gonna go ahead and buy the motor mounts to the engine later. It's gonna cost you more. So either buy them together or just buy the bottom and just get a regular C clamp like that off of eBay or whatnot. It'll fit. Of course, you got to buy the adjustables with the CPP mounts and adjustable clam mounts. They adjust themselves. You don't need this bracket right here. With this bracket, you're not going to be able to use AC. So you get this engineered to I don't know why I say engineer, but you gotta do some work. 'Cause I'm not no engineer, far from it. But you gotta do some work to make this shit work. It's not for the faint of heart. So I'm getting ready to put the cross member in, and I'll start fucking with the wiring. Let's see. Still gotta clean up this old wiring, and of course this is the new. I know it seems like a lot, but don't let it scare you. This is the old wiring to the car right here. Just gotta clean these wires up. See, I got my hand all dirty and shit, but just gotta clean those up. And I'm not running no wheel wells because I don't like them. Everything's gonna go in the trunk, battery, fuel cell. So it's gonna look clean. Gonna replace these to red. And now, F-body LS swap. I mean, it's a beautiful car, but nobody don't want no car that gotta get smogged in. So I tried to sell it, so I'm just gonna keep it and go back to the junkyard. Well, this engine here has got 75,000 on it that I got from someone, and I don't know if you're gonna get that lucky, but I still got this. I put a 350 on there. I still got this 400 right here, and ready to put that joint in. Just my wheels. These are coming off. Still got this. So don't throw your parts away. You're gonna need them. So that's what's up. Yep, it's a pain in the ass. My wife had to help me do it because I'm getting old. Lifting up transmission. I can lift them, easy, but your boy back be hurting. So we're gonna clean up this mess like I do every night. Putting that cross member. Just gotta wait till got the installation. I got the spool. I need tires. So now, tires. You should get really nice or semi-nice rims and tires, because when you look at the car, it's gonna look good. It's gonna make you want to work on it. So, just like, I mean, is this bad boy better? Yeah, it's better, but it's beautiful, and it makes you want to work on it. You know, when you look at it and say, "Oh man, don't let that go to waste." It's beautiful. So yeah, that's what's up. All the way around. Hardest part is done. Hardest part is done. So all I gotta do is clean this up. Have to cut some. I mean, you gotta cut off some mounts over here too. You just gotta do some engineering. I mean, I know I say that a lot, but you're just not gonna fit unless you got fucking major bucks to get a Holley, oil pan Holley, fucking motor mounts Holley, fucking engine mount clamps, fucking Holley, fucking everything. If you don't have that kind of money, you just gotta do a little fucking finagling yourself. All right, till next time.